Okay, where are we?
Town centre.
Town centre.
Village centre.
Village centre. We are in Shroppe, which is where actually I grew up and I went to school. Did you go to school here?
Yeah, I did.
No, David went to school here as well. But today is a very special day in Shroppe because the firemen got a new fire truck. Now, this may seem strange to you, but the fire department here is full of volunteers, so they don't get a lot of new stuff.
Ever. This is the first time ever.
First time ever. So they're very excited. They're putting on a big show, and we get to all see the brand new fire truck. Very exciting, I guess. But they're going to be fireworks, and I like fireworks. There's a lot of people. I think the whole town came. So subscribe, like, and share. Let's go see the fire truck. Okay, so you're wondering why this is such a significant event. This car here costs 900,000 zloty, which is about 300,000 Australian dollars. It's made in Poland, it's designed in Poland, it's all built in Poland. The reason why it's such a significant event is because Shroppe has never had a brand new fire truck. They've managed to raise enough money to basically buy one of their own with the support of the Polish government. The place operates exactly as an Australian rural fire service. It's all volunteers, but with a bit of a difference. They work exactly the same as the cadets in Australia. They basically recruit people from a young age to become firefighters. So like in Australia, you've got the Army cadets. In Poland, you've got the Rural Fire Service cadets. They start from the age of 8 and they work their way up and basically become firefighters and help the town out. They get paid when they get called out and they basically invest their money back into the fire service. Upstairs is where they run their parties, weddings, events to raise more money to basically buy more equipment. It's a pretty awesome place. I remember having a bunch of parties up there and having a great time. I'm so happy for them to get a new fire truck. I hope it comes to good use. Subscribe, like, and share, because it's gonna get interesting. So this is my friend Janetta. We've known each other since school, long time. She's a volunteer firefighter, and she also works as a soldier at the airport. So maybe she's gonna get me to the airport as well. Huh? Impossible. I don't think so. But anyway, thank you so much, Janetta, for providing me with this uniform. This only happens in a while, right? Yes. It's a beautiful fire truck. It's fantastic. It's so good to see my town growing. This is where we grew up, not far from each other. Yeah. A lot of my friends from school are actually working at the fire station. It is so important for this fire truck to be here because it only happens once in a while. It's like in Australia, the Queensland Rural Service or the New South Wales Rural Service. These are all volunteers. All of these people are volunteering to work here and provide fire services to the towns all around. So it's a huge celebration for them to receive a fire truck of this kind. I'm wearing a fire uniform provided by my friend. I feel very warm, very privileged to be here and celebrating with them all. Let's go and see the fire trucks. The night's coming to an end. They're putting the brand new fire truck back into the station, and everyone's getting ready to go home. It's around 9:30 p.m. so it's pretty dark, pretty cold. Everyone's had a few drinks. Time to go to bed. Yep, it's gonna wake everyone up.